How to find all hidden files in Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to find all hidden files in Android phone. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Uncovering hidden files on your Android phone is easier than you might think. Android devices often hide system files or files from certain apps to prevent accidental deletion, but you can still access them if needed. For that, open the File Manager application on your device, or you can also select Files app from your Android device. After that, tap the menu icon at top left corner of the screen. Here is Select Settings. Scroll down and under Browse, look for the option labeled Show Hidden Files. Simply toggle it on and this will show files that are used to run Android and apps, and it will reveal all the files and folders that are usually hidden. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.